The increasing danger in Banyoles. As in other parts of Catalonia as Sabadell, Nuria or Montserrat, the fall of the Roman Empire and the establishment of religious orders was a control effort of all primitive beings who inhabited the Mediterranean coast, under a childish Christianity. Successive interventions of the citizens of the town from the Middle Age, secretly informed by a whole line of scholars, have been reshaping the lines of protection, depending on fluctuations in the planet's magnetic North Pole, updating its effect in the entity that lies under the monastery of Saint Esteve. Even today, the channels of Rec, with its particular geometric designs, cross the entire town of Banyoles, alphabet increasingly weakened. The recent works of the city are blurring the energy paths that keep the former being in a cathartic state. About the appearance of the being, we can only get an idea through the sculpture that dominates the facade of the monastery of Saint Esteve. Although of unknown origin, prehistoric or alien, its tentacular members and its sucker's coating indicate an origin or strong relationship with the aquatic environment. It's not clear to us if his body is a strong drake with upper extremities, or if the 2 rows of suckers who embrace the portico of the church are also appendices. We can find another clue of the relationship, perhaps the origin of the creature with the water and the moon in the size and proportions of the rose window and the side opening on the main facade, keeping a correlation with the size and distances between our planet and the satellite. The Asian pagoda-like structures in each side of the door may refer us to the architecture of the civilizations that existed during the last glaciation, as Kitay or Lemuria. Sadly, the loss of the scene over the door hide information essential to interpret the set with full fidelity. The later addition of the 2 crescents may be a reminder of the need to maintain a basic contention barriers. Other interventions in the side walls also seem to suggest some sort of astronomical diagram, unfortunately lost by the passage of time. A striking containment intervention or interpretation of the mystery is the monolith with mineral samples facing the facade. Studying the sequence of materials and crossing it with their values in alchemy, the result we get is disconcerting, opening new doors to study mineralogy within the biogeology. The Church of Santa Maria delles Jurors, a later energy boost, gives us keys from an hermetic point of view of the containment works done, finding abundant examples of scale-designed energy patterns, in this case shown by analogous light effects to the higher ones, invisible to the human eye, but probably visible or noticeable in some way by the entity.